All right, good morning, you guys. It is, I don't know, probably like 10 something in the morning. And I'm about to make breakfast. Everybody's up. Miss Madison is awake. Mikhail is doing the dishes. Michael's doing laundry. And we are going to make some breakfast. So today we're going to be making French toast, some scrambled eggs with cheese, and some sausage. And then we have a little bit of berries over there that we're going to be just sauteing up. So right now what I've done is I have a loaf of the French bread, and this French bread was $1 at Walmart. I know typically people use Texas toast to do French toast, but I find that using this is a lot better, and it's cheaper. Like I said, this was only $1, and it's gonna make 13 slices of French toast. All right, so over here I have my French toast mix, which is pretty much 2 eggs. I did 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And I used heavy cream instead of milk because heavy cream just has like a thicker consistency, like if you can see it. I also added in a couple of dashes of vanilla extract, some ground allspice, some ground cinnamon if it wants to focus, and then I did regular brown sugar, and then here is the vanilla. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I already have my stove on. I'm going to use this raggedy skillet that I have. Don't judge my skillet. And I'm going to take a little bit of butter, probably about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to put it in the skillet. And I am just going to let this melt down a little bit. I'm going to let it melt enough to where it's going to coat the bottom of my pan. That way my bread can be really toasty. So, and then I'm going to soak this bread. You want to put some slices in, Binks? You can. You're going to push it down. We're just going to soak it. And I'm twisting it a little bit just so it can get some of that brown sugar on the bottom of it. And then I'm going to flip it. Twist it a little bit more. I would normally use that fork, but I don't know why I'm not, so don't judge me too harshly. But I'm not.
Also, don't judge a book by its cover.
Right. I have no idea what that was about. Good morning, Maddie.
Good morning.
This is love you.
Love you.
Alright, so that is pretty much cooked down to the way I want it to. I'm going to sit y'all over here so I can get to doing this because Brandon has a photo shoot to be at this morning. So, Madison, will you put my purse on the table? Thank you. Alright, I hope y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can. Madison got our berries drying. Okay, y'all, so Okay, so while the French toast is going, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eggs. So I'm gonna start on the eggs. I'm gonna scramble 6 eggs. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. All right, so French toast is in here. It's cooking up. I'm actually going to use a spatula to see. So that's how it's looking when we flip it over. This one is stuck for whatever reason. Alright, so that is what our French toast is looking like. Eggs are scrambled. I'm actually going to add a little bit of milk to the eggs. So maybe like 1/3 of a cup of milk. And then I'm going to add pepper. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so pepper. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. That was not anything. Hey, Michael, y'all, let me know when y'all finish with the, okay. So a little bit of salt going in. And then I'm going to add some cheese. And I'm going to throw in 1/2 a tablespoon of butter. And I'm just going to let that sit for a second. French toast is almost done, so it's going to come up. I'm going to start soaking these other pieces so they can get ready to go in.
You didn't let me mix this.
Madison, will you throw those? No, don't mix that. That's not the right spatula. Really, Mikhail?
I just have to let them know I'm here.
I understand. Alright, so I'm going to use this pan that I've lined with some foil. And I'm going to put the sausage. So this is the sausage we're going to use. Alright, so I have the sausage in the... Hold on. I have the sausage in the pan. And I have my oven to 385. So the kids just decided they want bacon too. So we're going to put a little bit of bacon on for breakfast as well.
Mikhail making the bacon. His bacon is hidden.
Mikhail bacon be hidden?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll let Mikhail make the
That's
bacon.
only because I seasoned it.
You seasoned bacon?
Yeah.
What'd you season it with, Mikhail? Give me the heavy cream out the refrigerator, Kel.
I seasoned it with some...
You seasoned the bacon.
Yeah, it was really good. You know how Miller White make that?
Can you get out the, I don't see it over there.
What,
Confectionate sugar. Powdered sugar.
Cream. Okay, I didn't have to have cream.
Okay, heavy cream queen. Alright, so second round of French toast is looking like this. Beautiful.
Oh, that looks good.
Right? It does look good, right? It looks yummy, guys.
Flip this over?
Yes, you can flip those over. Alright,
Oh,
put these over here. Got them down good?
I think so.
Gonna add a little more butter. That way it keeps it toasty.
You come to some of
Then
this,
I would just
right?
take the last finger.
Okay, you use some of this, right? Yeah. Some of this. Yeah.
Oh boy,
Hey, it was
you put steak seasoning on bacon?
Yeah.
Hell, y'all crazy. All right, so what we're gonna do is,
Mama.
I want you to get that. I want you to put that stuff back, put it back, and get down. That's what I want you to do. So I'm gonna pour just a little bit of heavy cream. This is probably a cup and a half. That's probably a teaspoon or a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, allspice, probably a teaspoon of what is this? Vanilla extract. All right, and then Mikhail, give me 2 eggs out of the refrigerator. So the eggs are going in. Sorry guys. 2 eggs. Okay. All right, Mikhail. And now we're going to put a little bit of brown sugar. Yeah, that's fine. And then you just mix it up. So then you're just gonna whip this together. I usually can determine by the color, excuse me y'all, if this is like the way I want it to be. Once it starts looking that yellowish brown, like all the milk's incorporated, then I know it's pretty much done for me. I just use the brown sugar to make sure that it's really sweet. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And a little bit more. I want it to be a little darker. Alright. For the most part, y'all, I honestly just eyeball it because I've made this so many times that I really don't follow any particular recipe.
There you go, Mama. Your recipe.
What you say?
Your recipe.
And I know, I don't really follow any particular recipe. Alright, so right here I just have a pan with the napkin in it. That way it can get ready for my bacon. And then I'm going to start to just season. Well, I say season, but I'm going to throw a little bit of sugar on some strawberries and some blueberries for our toppings for the French toast.
I'll take mine on the side, Mama.
You want your fruit on the side?
Yeah, strawberries.
Okay. Alright, so Mikhail's sprinkling a little bit of strawberries on the sugar. Sugar on the strawberries. And we just gonna let that marinate in there for a little minute. Alright, so bacon is done. French toast is done. And the last thing is the eggs. I'm just moving them kind of slow through the pan. Flipping them, not really scrambling. So they stay fluffy.
You want a spatula?
Yeah, I'm doing it with spatula.
I said, do you want a real spatula?
No, this is fine. It's perfect actually. Because I don't. People be like scrambling like this, like with a fork. It's not really the proper way to do it. You just flip it. That way it stays fluffy.